Good morning, students. We were discussing the topic similar triangles. Okay, right, in this topic we discussed up to the converse of basic proportionality theorem, and after that one I said you about the try this in page number 197. Okay guys, right, there are some important examples to us. Let us see the example 1 here. Okay, so example 1, the question is given as in triangle ABC DE parallel to BC. So in triangle ABC, let us draw the triangle ABC. It is given that DE is parallel to BC, so we draw a DE line segment parallel to BC, and also given that AD by DB is equal to 3 by 5. So what is given to us? Given ABC is a triangle, DE line segment parallel to BC line segment, and AD by DB is equal to 3 by 5. Asked to find AE if AC is equal to 5.6 centimeters. So to find, what is to find Nana here? That is AE. So we need to find AE, this one. It is given that AD and DB. So basing that one we need to find AB. Okay guys, observe carefully. AC is given as 5.6, isn't it? I want to take AE, so let it be X. If the total length is 5.6, so what will be EC? Okay, come on. What will be EC? As it is given that AC is equal to AE plus EC. AC is 5.6 and AE is X. We take EC. Therefore, EC is equal to 5.6 minus X. Okay, right. Now we are going to take the ratios. By basic proportionality theorem, DE line segment parallel to BC line segment. We know the theorem. If DE is parallel to BC, what can you say? That AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. You know the value of AD by DB. What is it given there? 3 by 5. Very good, Nana, very good. 3 by 5 is equal to, what is AE to us? That is X by, what is EC to us? 5.6 minus X. Now make the cross multiplication. So what do you get there? If you make the cross multiplication, you get 3 into 5.6 minus X is equal to, this 5 is cross multiplied to get 5X. Now I multiply 3 into 6, 18, 3 5s are 15, 1, 16.8 minus 3X is equal to 5X. Now take this minus 3x to the right side. What do you get? Plus 3x. Excellent. Very good, Nana. 16.8 is equal to 5x plus 3x. So what do you get here? 8x is equal to 16.8. Now cross multiply or transpose 8 to the left. You get 16.8 by 8 is equal to x. When you divide 8 ones, 8 twos are and 8 ones are. Therefore, x is equal to 2.1. What is x? In the figure we thought AE is equal to 2.1 centimeters. Okay guys, is it clear? Very good. Let's go to the second example. See the second example. What is it given there? In the given figure, LM parallel to AB. Okay, LM is parallel to AB. We have the figure here as A, B, C, and LM is parallel to AB. Okay, right. In this one, it is given to us AL is equal to x minus 3. AL is equal to x minus 3. AC is equal to 2x. BM is equal to x minus 2. And BC is equal to 2x plus 3. We need to find the value of x. So how do we find value of x? Observe carefully. Whenever you see a line parallel, this is the second example, Nana. Whenever you see a line parallel, your brain must give an alarm that it is nothing but basic proportionality theorem. Okay, right. By basic proportionality theorem, you can take the ratios of the sides. That is, you observe carefully, AC by AL. AC by AL is equal to BC by BM is equal to BC by BM. Okay, ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. So we made them equal. Now you are going to substitute. Okay, come on, do it. Yes. What do you take? AC? AC is given as 2x by AL is given as x minus 3 equal to BC is given as 2x plus 3, and what is BM given to you? X minus 2. Now make the cross multiplication. So x minus 2 comes to the left, you get 2x into x minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 3 into x minus 3. Yes, very good, right, come on, do it. 2x into x, you get 2x square minus 2x into 2, 4x. 2x into x, you get 2x square. 2x into minus 3, you get minus 6x. Now plus 3 into x, you get plus 3x. Plus 3 into minus 3, you get minus 9. When you observe 2x square and 2x square will be cancelled. Now get these x values to the left. So you get plus 6x as it is minus. It becomes minus 3x, and you have here minus 4x is equal to minus 9. 6 minus 3 gives you 3. 3 minus 4 gives you minus 1x is equal to minus 9. Now cancel minus and minus. So x is equal to 9. Okay, this is your second example. Now after the second example, you have a do this. Is it okay, guys? You have a do this of the same model. Okay, you try it. The answers for that one will be given in the next video. Right. See the example 3. Most important example, keep a star for that one, Nana. Most important example, keep a star for that one. So what is the question given there? The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Asking to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium is also a quadrilateral. So while taking the figure, you draw trapezium itself, but don't mention that it is a trapezium. You just take that one as ABCD is a quadrilateral. Given ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, the diagonals AC and BD intersect at O, and one more thing is given there, that AO by BO, AC line segment and BD line segment intersect at O such that the condition is most important, Nana. AO by BO, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. CO by DO. This is most important for you. Now after this condition, what is to prove? We need to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Right. Now can you guess what is the condition for a trapezium? Yeah, very good. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. So we want to make AB parallel to DC. We need to show that one. So for that purpose, what we are doing, we make a small construction, because we want to show that these two are parallel, isn't it? So for that while I take a construction drawing a line parallel to AB from O. Let it be OE. So making the construction, draw OE line segment parallel to AB line segment. Now you observe carefully, we have a triangle DAB. Observe and observe. This is the triangle. Into the proof. In triangle DAB. Okay. In triangle DAB. What is parallel we have taken? EO line segment parallel to AB line segment by basic proportionality theorem. By basic proportionality theorem, what can we say? That DE by EA is equal to DO by BO. But what is given here, you observe carefully, we have here DO by BO, you observe carefully. Okay, now I just make them invertendo. Okay, EA by DE is equal to BO by DO. Okay, this is invertendo. I inverted this one. Now observe carefully, this can be getted from this one. From the given AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, by changing the cross, that is called as alternando, you get AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. Now in the place of BO by DO, what can we place? We place AO by CO. So you get EA by DE is equal to AO by CO. EA by DE is equal to AO by CO. Observe carefully. EA by DE, isn't it? AO by CO. Oh yeah, now the triangle is changed. We have taken the triangle DAB, but now we are showing the triangle DAC. Yes, in triangle, we are taking the next triangle, in triangle ADC, okay, EA by DE is equal to AO by CO. Therefore, by converse of BPT, what does the converse tell to us? If the ratios are equal, then the lines are parallel. Now, basing that one, by converse of BPT, if the ratios are equal, you can say that these two lines are parallel. Therefore, EO line segment parallel to DC line segment. But from the construction, by construction, you can say EO parallel to AB. Now, who is common here? EO. Therefore, you can say AB line segment parallel to DC line segment. If one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is a trapezium. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. Okay guys, right. Practice these examples and same as do this in page number 200. Meet you in the next class.